In this video, we'll be going over some of the advanced search functions that LISS has to offer on its page. One thing we'll be going over is the Boolean operators, which is found here, and also the field option, which is found here. Boolean operators. This feature are words found in the advanced search section along with the search bars. They contain the words and, or, and not. When a Boolean operator are used, it affects your search results in different ways. Mastering this technique will make your search results more precise and be more time efficient. When you're using AND, it tells the database to search for all the keywords in that search box. It combines those keywords to look for articles, journals, and many more. So for example, if you're looking for information seeking behaviors and gamers, you'll type it here in this box. So now it will be looking for information seeking behaviors and gamers. Now it'll populate the results of information seeking behaviors and gamers. You'll notice that it has it in here as well too under subjects, which highlights gamers, information seeking, and information seeking behaviors as well. When using OR, it tells the database to expand its search to any of the keywords or connections that are acceptable. This is extremely helpful when searching for synonyms. So for this example, let's look up civil rights or Black Lives Matter. So now it'll expand the search from civil rights or Black Lives Matters. You'll notice that the search results is a lot higher, which is consisted of 6,656 results. This feature does expand its search significantly. When we're using NOT, it tells the database to remove all terms that follow the first keyword search. This is helpful for when you are specifying a topic or excluding a certain type of resource. This function will narrow your search results. So for this example, let's look up NOT. We'll look up Mexico, not city. So now the results should populate everything that has Mexico about Mexico, but not about Mexico City. When we're using the field option here, it helps tell the database what type of source to find using our keywords. This helps when we want to specify that keyword in a specific field. So for example, if we're looking up information seeking behavior and we want to look it up within the abstract field, we can select abstract and click search. If not, if we wanted to find it as a subject instead, we will select subject, select search. By doing so, it'll list this keyword, which is information seeking behavior, under subject for these articles. As you see here within this article here, shows information seeking behavior, and that's that for the field option.